Dear friends, greeting from the Master. My name is Surya and I welcome all of you to the Master. In this video, we are going to learn how to use fillet command in Autodesk AutoCAD software. For that, open Autodesk AutoCAD software. Then click on the new tab. It will open a new window or a new window. Here, click on the Home tab and select a polyline option. Draw a rectangle or a square and press escape button to uh, continue. Okay, after that, again click on the home tab, go to this fillet command, select the option, and here select the radius. Give the radius of the fillet or and press enter button. Then select the first line or first object which we want. Select first line, then select second line, and uh, it will create a fillet. Then if you want to or if you want to apply this command multiple times, and then just click enter button and select first object, then select second object. Again press enter button, select first line or first object, and then select second object. Then again click enter button, select first line and select second line. In this way you can use a fillet command. Uh, here is the another way you can. Here is another way for that. First of all, I draw a rectangle. Okay, press escape button. Then select the fillet command and here select this polyline option and enter the radius of the fillet. Press enter button and simply select this object. It will automatically create a fillet on this corner